Hello LearnDash users. Do you want to use LearnDash quiz to conduct offline exams? Say, in classrooms or corporate training institute? Distributing the questions sheets based on quizzes from LearnDash courses? Then I have a great news for you. Introducing LearnDash Question Setter plugin. Now, export question papers out of LearnDash quizzes in docx or PDF format. Here are 8 options for you to decide when you export. Option 1, field for name. Option 2, show marks beside each question. Option 3, show hint for questions. Option 4, show correct answer. Option 5, show detailed answers. Option 6, chose the place to show answers below each question, or at the end of question sheet. Option 7, show a footer credit. Lastly, show check boxes for options. Isn't it great? Now watch the demo. Just upload the plugin. Activate it. Once installed, you will see LearnDash Question Setter menu in sidebar. Hover over this link. You will see 2 sub-menu. First, click Display Options. Set what you want to display on docx or PDF. Click Save. Now go to LearnDash Question Setter sub-menu. You can choose quizzes by category or by quiz name. The second field populates as per selection above. You can choose how many questions out of said quiz to be printed in question paper. Next, you have option to randomize question order. Lastly, choose in which format you want to export, docx or PDF. Click Download. Voila! Your question paper is exported.